This is a product for the as for the car products. It is for the massage on the car. This is made by our high-frequency welding machines. It is a whole machine. You can see the whole process in the can control on the HMI. And this is for the waste material. If there is a waste material, you can put here. Then we can operate the machine. Press the two buttons. Then it will weather. Now we press the two buttons. We will turn to the position and high frequency welding it. Now this is the finished bags. Welding 8 points, 4 points, and we also make different types of bags. Like this, all types of can do.